Unfortunately, it's time to break my heart. I want to show you what that inside looks like. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and today we're going to make a red velvet Valentine cake. Okay, here we go. And if you talk too much like me or get too distracted, it doesn't always happen that way. You're going to go into the oven for 28 minutes until they spring back when you touch the top. It's delicious. Now, you know what? Now, you can stop here, and you can have a little white cake, but I'm making this cake for Valentine's Day, so I'm going to crank it up a notch, and I'm going to put some red food coloring in it and make it pink. Now, I think a guy is really going to like this. Guys like feminine things. I'm not going to make him a brown cake because brown's more masculine. I'm making him a pink cake. I want to make red sugar sprinkles to go on this cake. I am so excited about my little decorating day today. It's a little art project for me. This is how you make a very inexpensive colored sugar in your own kitchen. My next trick is to take a piece of paper. Now, you did this when you were in kindergarten, I bet. Heart? Okay, I'm happy. It's been 33 minutes. Butter will make a big mess on your cakes. Our cakes have cooled now. Place it on my little doily. Across the top layer, I always put a lot on top first because I don't want to run out by doing the sides. Take a little bit at a time and just go around. I think I'm going to lick the bowl. We're frosting. Here is our stencil. I'm just putting it on there like that. Now just press that sugar through it. Isn't that cute? There's our happy Valentine's Day cake. Let's try it. Unfortunately, it's time to break my heart. I want to show you what that inside looks like. Right down the center. Chop! Let's get a bite of this. Oh, man. Oh, that is so velvety. It is truly a red velvet cake. The color is beautiful. So subscribe to my channel and let's keep cooking. Make this for your sweetie pie on Valentine's Day. Cheers. Here's to love.